Greetings friends, I welcome everyone in the Usitility channel. Now we'll learn how to install the MU Origin 2 on PC so we can enjoy with mouse and keyboard even on a big screen. Installing this Android game on PC is absolutely easy. You're viewing it on the screen, and you'll see how it is actually working. Thus, let's begin. The first thing is to open up any web browser, in our situation Google Chrome, and you're simply going to go to the URL located in the description of the video, or perhaps in the very first pinned comment. This is the website link. I show it right here in case you intend to view it slightly larger. This specific link will bring you on the page of MU Origin 2 in BlueStacks. BlueStacks is actually a software to set up any Android game on laptop, and thus we will install MU Origin 2 this way. It's an Android emulator, which emulates tablets or Android mobiles, and then we can use a keyboard and mouse, use a big screen, etc. Just press on Download MU Origin 2 for PC, and then this game will be installed on your laptop. The download is done, right here in the file. We just click this file to open it. If permission or conditions display on the screen, then you'll have to enter yes and accept these. Minimize the browser so as to head over to Installation Settings. We will configure the directory where we want to install this game. If we visit Customize the installation, we can easily select the directory. We keep it as it is, we click on Back, and then we click on the Install Now option. This file is very small and will be downloaded within virtually no time. The download of the game depends on the net speed. The installation of the emulator will start instantly. The installation has ended now and we are likely to proceed. Understand that the system will require some time to make configuration settings for BlueStacks and to launch it, but next time, it'll launch quickly. Don't skip to look at the next phase. Here is an option for Google Play, Sign In. You need to just click here. Sign in to Google Play by providing your email and password. You cannot still install this game without login because it's a Google Play game. Just wait and we will simply get access to Google account, and I'll be back after that. We have been ultimately finished with this step. Click on I agree in order to accept the terms of use. If you need to make the backup of the system within the cloud storage, then click on yes, or else proceed by hitting no. We accept it, and it will instantly go to Google Play. Just hit this arrow so as to exit the emulator and to go to the desktop. On your emulator screen, the icons of BlueStacks and BlueStacks multi-instance will appear. The first one is to start BlueStacks. Now we go to the installation of MU Origin 2. I will have to go to Google Play for the installation of this game. One further step that we also have to accomplish, which is to complete the account setup, so we have to decide on the payment method which we intend to utilize if we're planning to obtain stuff on Google Play. We are not planning on buying anything, so we are going to click the Skip button. The game installation has been begun now. The game will be downloaded within the laptop. Swifter net connection is advised to complete the downloading of the game immediately. Now, we do not need to open up the BlueStacks again and again, yet we can directly have accessibility to MU Origin 2 by simply hitting its computer's desktop icon. Every time when you would like to play the game, double-click MU Origin 2 icon on your desktop. We are going to click this BlueStacks icon to begin MU Origin 2. This is an option to configure the keyboard setup. Let's keep it at the default, hence we close it. To begin with, I'd like to explain how there are two big screen options. By pressing here on the Maximize bar, the computer screen will be increased. Anyhow, the screen will not get 100% bigger. By pushing F11, you will simply get 100% full screen for the game. Once you will start playing the game in full screen setting, you will be able to better focus on the game. In case you have a powerful laptop, then it will better support gaming in an emulator. Want to find out how you can alter the game language? Let us explore it. You go on Preferences right here. This drop-down menu will display various languages of that you can select any specific language. I have eventually altered the language, C. Finally, we've been done with the installation of the game. If this video tutorial was really helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe to the Usitility channel and we will come with new stuff. Thank you for your time. We'll be back again with more such videos.